Hello. Once again, you're welcome to FTGFX Lounge. Now, FTGFX is a short form of Forex trading in Ghana. Now, in the FTGFX Lounge, what we do is we have a chit-chat or we have conversation with pro Forex traders, sometimes amateur Forex traders, and people who are ready to learn more about the Forex trading industry. Now, in today's episode, that's episode 3, we're going to have a chit-chat with Aman, the founder of Millionpips. Okay, Millionpips is a licensed investment consultancy in Dubai. Stay glued and listen to us. Ciao.
Hello, Dacosta. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good too. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You can see my screen. All right.
Yeah, I can see it. So I think because when you have the video on, it's going to drag the audio a little bit. So, but I can see your screen, which is perfect. So we can have an audio conversation. Are you cool with that?
Great. Yeah, sure.
Great. So how are you doing?
Great. I'm doing good. You tell me about yourself.
Right. So I'm Da Costa. My full name is Esuman Da Costa. I'm a Ghanaian, and then a founder of Forex Trading in Ghana. So Forex Trading in Ghana is an online platform that seeks to put out quality videos or training materials to help upcoming Forex traders, pro Forex traders, and amateur Forex traders to understand how the Forex market works, how to trade safely, profitably, and easily. So basically that's it. A short form of Forex trading in Ghana is FTGFX.
I have seen that one and I was thinking it's kind of a broker or something like that. Then after that I have gone through your profile.
Yeah.
And that's how I found it.
Yeah. So we have the FTGFX Lounge. So in the lounge, what we normally do there is we invite seasoned Forex brokers, Forex traders, coach, mentors to share with us some of their experiences. Because the Forex trading journey is not easy. So sometimes if you have some people like you, for instance, who have been through the mill and able to share their stories with us, it sometimes motivates us. And along the line when you're starting, sometimes you feel like somebody is taking your money away, you want to quit, all of those things. So sometimes when we have conversations with seasoned traders and mentors like you, it helps. It makes people feel like, oh, it is real, like we can really make something out of it. So that's why I reached out to you, and your profile looks excellent. I checked out.
Did you watch my sorry to interrupt, did you watch my podcast with Trading Nut?
No, I haven't checked that out, but definitely I will, because I checked I was on your website. I was checking out some of the testimonials. Your very nice, well-designed website as well, and it shows the kind of person you are. So once again, you are welcome to FTGFX Lounge.
Thank you. Thanks for having me on the show.
Yeah, that's good. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your name, where you are from, and all of that?
Right. My name is Aman Birajdar. I'm a founder of Millionpips.com. Basically, I'm from India, but we are actually based in Dubai. We have investment consultancy license in Dubai, and we usually operate online. Everything is online.
Okay.
And also, I do have co-founder with my partner from Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we two of us run the company, and basically this company, we teach how to trade. Okay, we used to manage the accounts. Now for time being we stopped it because of a lot of investors demand and all. So now currently I trade my own accounts, and I do teach how to trade. Okay. And I do a weekly market outlook, where I predict the coming week where the market is going to go to, based on the supply and demand rule. And also we do share the trade ideas on the daily basis in our group.
Oh, okay. So like you said, is a licensed investment consultant. What sort of investments do you provide consultancy on, or you just
see? Basically, we are involved in trading, right? So trading involves money, right? So if you have something when you're starting a business, something related to money, you should have license for that, right?
Okay.
So that's the reason we got this investment consultancy license.
Okay.
So we are authorized to talk anything related to the investment, you know. So it could be anything. It could be a trading. It could be anything like a real estate investment. Because as I said, my partner is from Nigeria. He do also do the real estate business. So he is authorized to do this because we consult regarding the investment, right? So when it comes in the trading, also you invest your money, you invest your time, okay? And we invest our time in the students, okay? We invest our knowledge, like we share our knowledge
Okay.
with the students. So that's the reason we got that license, and based on that license we are authorized to do this online like teaching and trading for our account itself.
All right. I get it now. So you and your partner are all based in Dubai, or your partner is in Nigeria? He is a Nigerian, like you're saying, but is he in Nigeria?
Yeah, he is in Nigeria, and currently I'm on like a bit long holidays because was in Dubai for almost 16 years.
Wow.
Just like almost a year now, I'm back to like India with family, spending some quality time.
Okay.
So by end of this year, or maybe beginning of first year, which is 2023, we'll be going back again. My partner also coming back, and we are planning to go big, little bit big.
I understand.
Bigger than the trading.
Yeah. Wow, that's nice having you in the lounge. And I know my community members are going to enjoy this conversation or this chat. Thank you.
Thank you once again.
Right. When did you start forex trading, or what motivated you to start online?
All right.
Online.
All right. So basically, I have started trading in 2017. All right. So it took me almost a 15 months to get a profitable. All right. So like basically it was a long journey. So like I used to work in a hospitality industry, because Dubai is full of hospitality industry. Hospitality means hotel industry. All right. So every half meter you will see a 5-star, 4-star hotel. So I used to work as a customer service manager in a 5-star hotel. All right. So of course it is a high profile job, but like what I can say, like the high profile job involves with a lot of responsibility. Okay, looking after the customer needs, looking after your employee needs, and so it was how I can say, it was like draining a lot of time, actually, energy, time with the company, right? So I worked like almost like more than 10 to 11 years, I can say. Yeah, 10 years was perfect. Exactly 10 and a half year, I can say. Yeah, so I worked with the company. Then finally I realized, like, okay, what I'm getting at the end of the month, I know what is my salary, right? So I can count like what I'm gonna get for coming 12 years. 12 also, you can say for coming 12 months also, I can say, right?
Yeah.
Or if I stick to the same position for coming 12 years also, I know what I'm gonna get, maybe a 5% increase in a year, you know, and the inflation also is there. So like whatever you earn, you might do a little bit saving, but that saving is not gonna help you for the long term, right? Then I start searching for like a second income. So we have Mr. Google, right? So then we put, Mr. Google, please tell me what are the ways to make money, right? So you put in the Google search. So then you got a lot of things, like, you know, like you do YouTube thing, or you sell materials online, and like selling like Amazon and all. Then I got something called a forex trading, right? So then I gone into the forex trading. Then I start getting the like start searching the pages, right? So surfing the page, online pages, and suddenly I got some pop-up like IQ option, binary options, you know, easy to buy. You just click, you know, buy, just guess the game. Okay, you buy or you sell, you make money. So then I open the account with the broker. I deposited $50, and then I start buying. Okay, buy. I wait for 1 minute. Okay, it goes up. Okay, I make money. Very good. Double the account. Then I wait for the second candle. It comes down. So 10 to 15 minutes is enough to blow that $50.
Yeah.
That's a guessing game, right? When you call it an IQ option or binary option, the company name. So it's options. Like, okay, what you're gonna do the betting, okay, on the market, which is going up or down. But you don't know what's happening behind, why it's coming down. But it's just a guessing game. It's a betting. It's a gambling. Okay, I'm putting my money because it's gonna go up. Okay, in 1 minute, the market moves a lot, right?
Yeah.
So it will go maybe certain points, and suddenly it will reverse. So you make money one time and you lose money. So that's a game of greed. So it's very easy to I'll lose money. Then I came to know, like after learning full trading, that the IQ option and the other, like the options trading is like not that real trading options, but this
Mhm.
small gambling game like buy sell for 1 minute. Those are all gambling, pure gambling. And
Yeah.
use it to blow the account, right? So I blow the account. Then I start, okay, then no, this is not really trading. There's something else is also involved.
Let me summarize all you said shortly so that we pick it from there. Quick.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you were working in the hospitality industry. So you were like a
Yeah.
customer
Service manager.
service agent for customer service manager for a
Yeah.
hotel. And
Exactly.
then
Yeah.
you looking at the job much of your time and your energy. So you decided to
Yeah.
look out for a side business that can bring in another income. And then
Exactly.
you googled, so you found things like being a YouTuber, like other online platform stuffs. But then you later came across forex trading and IQ options and all of that. So you
Exactly.
first decided to start trading options, and then your
Exactly.
first deposit was $50.
Exactly.
So when you deposited the $50, it was just simple. It's a matter of just clicking a buy and a sell to make profit. And
Exactly.
in a matter of 15 minutes, you blew out
Yeah.
the $50.
Yeah, in matter of 10 minutes, I blew up that.
Matter of 10
then
minutes.
after like I was just still searching like how can I make money through that IQ option. Then I'm again going on the YouTube. Some people are selling some indicator. You follow those indicator, blah blah blah, everything. Then I was still like try to do it on the demo and all, but it was really consumed a lot of time and all. Then I didn't do that one. Then I came to know, okay, no, there's a proper trading is there. There's a real market is exist where you really do the trading. So then I start searching where I can do this, proper trading. So just talk about a basic market. There's nothing about a candlestick, nothing. Okay, there are different type of markets. There are buyers, there are sellers, blah blah blah. Just like a long thing. At the end of the day, they will tell you, okay, you have to pay around a full course. You will cost around $15,000.
No, come again. So they took you through the introduction. Was it free?
No, I paid. I think around $150.
Okay, that was for the
$150.
introduction.
Just an introduction.
Okay, and then they
Just
said
an-
for you to get the full course or the advanced course, you have to pay $15,000.
Exactly. So they will show you lollipop and then they will tell you, okay, they are gonna give you big thing. Then
Exactly. Yeah, they'll show you
Yeah.
lollipop. Yeah.
exactly. So then 50,000 dirham. That's a lot of money that I can say like almost 10 months of my salary working in Dubai, right? So I'm not gonna invest that one, and of course then trading also involve risk, right? So I was not able to afford that time. Okay, so then I start searching again online. Then I came across it was like a bit long journey to find a real good mentor. I spent a lot of money on the PDFs. Now everything is available free now online. So
Yeah.
that time it was like a bit difficult. So yeah, searching everyone on the Instagram, and also it took some time. Then I joined one of the group, and in that group like I met like my partner over there, right,
Yeah.
from Nigeria. So we used to have a private chat and all about the trading and all. Okay, basically the groups which I joined, they were like trading like EMA crossover, SMA crossover, 15-minute entry, 5-minute entry. Okay, so they used to show like what happened in the past, right? So like, okay, this is the EMA cross, that was a very good trade. But actually, the real trade, when in the real market, the EMS are like, or the indicators are lagging. They will show you the past price. They will not tell you the current price, right? If you tell you the like, future price, if they tell you the future price, everyone is gonna be winner. All right, so it will tell you the history, what happened. Okay, and they are lagging. They go behind the chart. They don't go front of the chart to tell you the direction, right? So yes, there were groups which I joined, and they used to teach this one. So in that group, I found one of my like the partner who is my current partner right now.
Yeah.
And then again, like my search was not over for the trading, right? So because that trading style was not for me, trading 5-minute or 15-minute, right? So I came across a guy who teaches supply and demand, and he's a position trader, very good trader, patience trader, hold the trade for a weeks, months, right? So I learned from him. I took like 2 sessions. So that changed the game of looking at the chart differently, right? So because what I was looking at the chart was like 1 hour, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute. But what's happening on the higher time frame, that is very, very important. Okay, the higher time frame buys are very, very important.
Yeah.
Okay, so I learned from his strategy. Then I develop myself also within those strategy. Okay, so basically what I realized at the end Like at the end, what I realized that it's a full game of a supply and demand. Okay,
Yeah.
it's a simple economics. Okay, you buy something at a high price and you sell at you buy something at a low price
Yes.
and you sell it at a high price. Okay, it's like you are having a retail business. You go to the wholesaler, you buy at wholesale and you sell it.
Yeah.
Right, so let's say, for example, just a simple example now, iPhone 14 Pro is there, right? So definitely the price will be higher now. Okay, but what's happening with the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12, right? So now the big supermarket, big malls, they need to get rid of those iPhones. Okay, because there will be no more demand for that. So what they do, they will reduce the price, or they start giving something free with them, like a headphone and all. Just buy it and get it clear. And right now there's a demand for iPhone 14, so a lot of people will start buying. Right, so after 1 or 2 years, what's going to happen with iPhone 14?
It's going
will
to
also come to the same way.
Yeah.
Exactly. So same thing, when you look at the higher price, weekly and monthly time frame chart, it's telling you where the price is. From the naked eyes, you can see the price is too high. So if you're looking for a buy, that is a big stupid guy, right? You are a stupid guy because you're buying something at a high price. Okay?
Yeah.
And you look at the news, they start telling you, oh, this is the right time to buy. Okay, then you jump in, then the market will slash, the big banks, the manipulator who are controlling the market, they will slash the price on you.
Yeah.
Right. So looking at the high time frame, that was the turning point of my trading. Right.
Okay.
So I start trading the high time frame, like starting from monthly to weekly, and my entries were between 4 hour to 1 hour, in line with daily structure. Okay. So I was looking at the trade, and I've been holding like almost a month to something like that, from zone to zone trading. Okay. And I was closing. Then I came across another mentor who is running as a hedge fund in Dubai.
Okay.
And this guy showed me this strategy of the manipulation thing. Okay, because basically what happened in the high time frame, the price will do what it has to do. It will go from the demand to supply, and it will come from supply to demand.
Yeah.
But the lower time frame, it's a full game of a market maker. Right, it's a full game of a market maker. Their orders need to be filled. They do the hedging system. Because they have a lot of money, they buy, then again they sell, then they come back and close that buy position, then again they continue the trend. All right. So when they do this, they leave the footprint on the chart. So that footprint we need to understand. All right. Once I start looking at that candle, so my trading, then it improved a lot. Okay, so it's not only the supply and demand which is on the higher time frame, the lower time frame I can look for an entry. So my entries were like, my risk will start becoming small.
Okay.
So now I can predetermine, okay, only this is the area where I will be looking for shorting, and if the market go above that, it's fine. The trade is invalid for me, because the market, when they do the hedging, they have to come back, close that mitigate that position, and continue the trend.
Yeah.
All right. So that's where now, if you go through my Instagram, you'll be seeing that my entries are based on those weeks. Those weeks. So the risk to reward is like amazing. That. So that's where the trading is improved a lot.
Okay.
So basically that journey, like the beginning when I started to get into a proper what exactly the trading is, it took me like almost a 15 months. All right. To get my edge in the market, it took me almost a 15 months, where I used to trade like bit long, like kind of, you can say it's a swing trading. Okay, swing trading, like we're holding for a weeks, months. All right. So then in that, then again I develop my keep developing, like, okay, no, I think this strategy is still good, but still I need something for a daily income. Okay, or maybe for a weekly income, because I'm not like that type of person who can hold the trade for a month or months, or can go 2 years. Okay, supply and demand works very well on the high time frame. There's no doubt on it. Even like when I had my interview with the previous guy, and I have predicted the Euro USD is gonna fall. It fell, and even the US30, I said it, even though it went a little bit up, but now it started falling. Okay, so that was a clear prediction on the high time frame. Okay. But what happened on the low time frame? Like a lot of people, when, let's say, the market is in downtrend, right? So when the market make a new low, and when it break the previous low, a lot of people start selling. That is where is the trap. Okay. So that is where is the trap. The market always gonna pull back. It can go to 50% or 61, whatever it is, but it will go to the area where a lot of unfilled orders are. So unfilled orders are we use the term unfilled orders. We use the term of hedging. Okay, basically the banks, they leave the clue on the chart. All right, and that candle is very, very important. So once you identify that candle in line with your higher supply and demand, that's where your trading is gonna be completely
okay.
different. Yeah.
Wow, interesting. So if I get it all right, you started on your own, and then you move to finding someone who can coach you and train you properly. And fortunately, you came across two guys who helped you in trading, and one was a position trader, I think almost all, and then they also helped you and made it clear to you that using the time.
Basically, yeah. The second guy, he is a hedge fund actually.
Yeah.
So he taught me this one. He basically, what he said, the banks, they protect their zones, right? So if they protect their zones, that means they are gonna break the opposite zone. Simple as it is.
Yeah.
If they protect their high, they are gonna protect the low. They are gonna take out the low. Simple as it is.
Yeah.
If they protect the low, they are gonna take out the high.
High. Yeah.
All right. So now the trading is like this. What is my previous high and what is my current low? And so my trading will be from my previous high to my current low. Whatever the past price, forget it. Now I'm not doing a swing trade, right? So because I'm looking for an intraday trade. So my trading will be from what is my previous high. Let's say previous high. It's not like previous weekly high, daily, weekly. No. The high and low which was made in weekly time frame. So that high to the current low. That is my trading range. So if the market is selling, let the price go a little bit up so that you sell something at the high price, right? So from there, we can look for, if the market left a footprint, okay, that area, if there is a zone where the market is going to go and do that mitigation or do the unfilled orders and continue the trend. So that area we look for trading. Trading in zone to zone is very important. If you enter in the middle of the zone, you burn your finger. Simple as it is.
You burn your finger. That's all. So quick one. So what are some of the challenges you had? What are some of the challenges you had in this journey, like in your 12
challenges? Yeah. As you said in the beginning, it's not that trading is not easy, right? So I have gone through these challenges. Challenges like started myself searching for what is trading. Started with IQ option, blowing the account. Then took this 3 days. Just normal thing, then search some like YouTube thing, and immediately that was my stupid thing that I open an account with MT4, learn how to operate MT4 by watching YouTube, and I just followed one guy's signal. I put with full confidence $1,000 and I put it, and the guy was buying gold. No, sorry, the guy was selling the gold. I remember. Yeah, he was selling the gold. And I took also with him. And the stupidity that I did not put my stop loss. You won't believe, in 4 hours time, the account was boom, red. I got a margin call. I was like, what the hell happened?
What the hell?
Exactly. And that time I had that screenshot, and now if then once I become consistent 15 months, right? So I had that screenshot. I gone back and I checked, and I was like, and I start laughing how stupid I was. I was selling gold from demand. And the price is low, you have to buy. And the price touched the demand, and I'm selling. So who's buying? The banks are buying from me, and I'm the liquidity provider for them. So they liquidate me. Okay, they liquidate me. So they took my 1,000. I don't know. It was the banks or it was maybe the broker, because brokers are so smart, right?
They also have a way of making their money.
Exactly.
So what's the if I get it clearly, your challenges had got to do with education and the proper
exactly, because see, this there are some good traders, okay, some are scammers, there's no doubt on it, okay. They take your money, they will block you immediately, all right? So yes, I got also scammed dollars, thousands of dollars, I can say, in indicators and everything, because as I said, trading is a long-term journey, right? So as I said, it took 15 months, right? 15 months. So in 15 months, how many days are there, right? So so every day the learning was not stopped. So so I lost a lot of money, like at the beginning, trading small accounts. The biggest one was $1,000 when I started trading at the beginning. Then later on, small accounts, and spending a lot of money on the educations. So only these two the two mentors They really taught me very well. Yes, there are some good mentors online. I'm not saying everyone is like a fake or like this.
Yeah.
There are some good mentors, but their trading style is different.
Yeah.
So it's each students, okay, I can say, or each trader, okay,
Yeah.
it's his choice what type of trader he want to be.
Yeah.
Okay, whether you want to be a scalper, whether you want to be a day trader, or whether you want to be a swing trader, or you want to be a position trader, right?
Yeah.
So it's all the psychology of a person who wants to be a trader.
Yeah.
For me, I have tried all the different strategies. You name it, But what worked for me is the supply and demand.
Yeah.
Okay? Which is the higher time frame. But a lower time frame, those bank hedging system, it's playing very well for me, right? So I stick to that. And I'm profitable. I'm making money and I'm making my living from it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. I'm really enjoying this. So with the challenges, what's the biggest loss that you've ever incurred in your trading? Like
the biggest
on
loss
on the MT4 itself in trade, not the ones coming you on the platforms, but in trading. What's the biggest loss you've ever incurred?
The biggest loss I can which one worth $1,000 I can say right now. Okay, $1,000 was that loss. Now what my lot sizes are big now. Okay. That time if I'm trading 0.10 lot, and risking $1,000, okay, and that's really stupidity because gold moves very volatile, right? So it moves very fast. So I lost. That is the biggest loss I still considering till today. Okay, but apart from that, like right now your account is big. If you blow like 1,000, 2,000, that doesn't matter for me because account is big.
I get that. Oh, okay.
You can ask me what is the biggest profit, then I can tell you the recent one.
That was what I was going to. That's the next question I was going to ask you.
Okay, so the biggest one is normally what I do, I trade 1.09. That is my lucky number. So I trade that account, right? So when, as I said, the hedging system, bank hedging system, the market came to a zone. I shared those trades with my team also. And that area, I had two positions. One is 1.09, and I purposely took 100 lot position. Okay.
Wow, 100 lots.
Market move against me like a 5 points. So which is like almost a $5,000. I was in loss, but I did not close it. So I know it's gonna come because those zones, even if the market wants to break the zones, it will respect those zones. So means if you're shorting the market, it might go a little bit inside, but it will at least go 20 to 30 pips. Okay, depend upon the pair you're trading. So I was trading Euro USD. It dropped almost a 30 pips. 30 less than little bit 30 pips. So I got like around. It was like up to 30,000, but by the time I closed, it little bit spike up. So like 2.5 pips something I missed. So it's like $27,000.
Wow,
$27,000 was this. If you can see my screen, you can see that profit here. You see here?
Yeah,
27,000. You can find it on the Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll do that. I'll just try.
That was just last week trade. It was. I shared with my team also, and that was like both the positions open. But that was the biggest one because it takes time, right? So I've been trading almost. This is my 6th year. So in 6-year time.
Yeah,
that is the only first such a big trade I took it. It was just a scalp. Then I closed immediately.
Wow.
So that is the biggest profit you can say. Apart from that, profits are there, but that is the biggest in.
Yeah, that's the biggest one you've ever. Okay. A
5-minute trade.
Okay. So quick one. What really changed your mindset, or what really changed your approach from losses to wins? Is when you met those two mentors.
Right? So as I said, like it took me a 15 months journey to become profitable. What exactly changed my in trading was that looking at the higher time frame. All right. So as I said, like when I met the first mentor, like before I met that the right mentor, I was like going through all the other classes and all, and I was looking like 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, EMA crossover, SMA crossover. It was not working for me. It was not working for me, right? So because if you don't know what's happening on the higher time frame, forget, you are just swimming between the shops.
Exactly. Because the high time frame, that's the direction. It gives a fair idea of the direction. Yeah. So you know what? I know you are now part of our community, directly or indirectly. So we will be contacting you often to share more of your trading experiences, so that most of the community members also learn from it. I think we are just left with maybe 5 minutes to wrap this up. But before then, I would like you to share with us your strategy that you use, like not in depth. Maybe in the future we will look at that. But how do you approach the markets on a normal typical trading day? Yeah.
Basically, what I do, I look at the higher time frame. So my higher time frame is basically monthly and weekly. I look at the direction for monthly and weekly, and from the daily to 4 hour, I look at my previous high to low. Okay, so the previous high to low is my trading range. All right.
Okay.
So in that, I go to a 1 hour time frame, and 1 hour time frame is my favorite entry time frame. And in that, I will find that footprint of that market, like the market makers, where they open up the positions, okay, where they need to come and close the position or fill the order. So that area become interesting for me to, let's say if it's a downtrend market, so to short the market, and the take profit will be that previous low.
Right.
Okay, and if it's an uptrend market, I will wait for the market. If market made a new high, I will not buy. I will wait for the price to come to the discount level, and in that discount level means I will wait the market to come to the unfilled area or the mitigation area. So that area, once the market comes, I will look for buy, and my target will be the previous high. Okay, so your trading range is between the high to low. If market protected one area, the banks protect one area, that means they are going to take out other area. Simple as it is.
Okay. Basically, that's how you approach the market on a typical day.
Exactly.
All right. So like I'm saying,
basically I analyze the chart and I share with my group.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's how we take the trade.
Right. That's great. Once again, we welcome you to FTGFX Lounge again, and we appreciate your time. Can you share with us some of your your contacts, where people, or your websites where people can follow you, join you?
Basically, they can follow me on the Instagram. So in my Instagram, correct Instagram, it's Millionpips, which is MILLIONPIPS.
Right.
Please follow this. Apart from that, anything you find that is that could be a scammer page, and you can find me on website. That's www.millionpips.com. Okay, so I'm more active on the Instagram. A lot of traders can look into my Instagram post. A lot of traders actually, they are learning just looking at my post. All right, so they can look at my post, they can look at my previous results, they can look at my withdrawals, they can look at my profit. Everything is open for everyone who wants to learn. Take it from there.
Thank you very much, Millionpips. Thank you very much.
And just advice for all the new traders. Believe in yourself. There's nothing impossible in this world unless you see it. Okay.
Right.
Don't give up. Okay.
Right. Oh, sure. Thank you very much, Millionpips. Thank you very much.
Thank you once again for it's my honor to be on the show. Okay.
Right.
You have a great day ahead.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Cheers.